Welcome. This is how to fix CapCut requires access to the album for editing and saving videos error. So guys, if you ever encounter that issue, the problem is with the permission. So you have to give permission to your CapCut that the CapCut can access the album. So in order for you to do that, first thing is just simply go ahead and go to your settings into your phone. And now, once you are on the settings, just simply go ahead and scroll down and go for the apps. Now, here on the apps, just simply find CapCut over here, or you could use the search bar at the top right corner. Now, from here, tap on the CapCut, and after that, just simply scroll down over here, and you will have permissions. So now here on permissions, as you can see, I have two categories, which is allowed and denied. So you have to allow the storage in order for you to fix this issue and make sure to allow it. And as you can see over here down below, you should be able to allow the camera as well in order for the CapCut to be used by your camera and should be able to see it over here. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.